The G5 system is pre-configured and ready to install straight from the box. It's easy to set your alarm with the handy remote control. Magnetic sensors protect your patio doors and windows. PIRs protect whole areas such as hallways, landings and rooms. Not only will the G5 ward off intruders and alert neighbours of intrusion, it will send you text alerts and call you anywhere in the world. The G5 will text up to 5 mobile numbers and call up to 5 telephone numbers, landline or mobile, let you listen in to what is happening in your home and hold a two-way conversation with the person at your control panel. Your G5 alarm is easy to operate, arm and disarm. Remotely arm your system by text message or with the free smartphone app. What's great about the G5 is that not only will it help you keep your home secure, but you can also remotely monitor your home and control your system. At the press of a button, you can even hold a two-way conversation at the control panel. Protect your home at any time from anywhere. Going to bed, set your system to part arm. You can now go to sleep, safe in the knowledge that the rest of your home and outbuildings are alarmed. Your G5 system will alert you of any alarm activation events in your home, including intrusion, mains power failure, and recovery, SOS, RFID user notification. And that's not all. With our range of optional accessories, you would also be alerted to flood, smoke, attempted break-in, smart security for smart homes.